So, we are back at Babcock with an update. I thought they were demolishing the place, but actually they just refurbished it, and it's kind of beautiful. It has power, legit power now. Last time I went, it didn't. It just had lights on inside, and I think we can drive up to it now. Let's see. As you can see, we're here, and it's all got lights. It's got people in it now. Sick.
Still doesn't have a front door, but
yeah, that's like the only part that's still kind of abandoned. Like, it's cool. It's like seeing it in its original state almost. Right? It's crazy. This is Babcock. Hold on, I gotta see the back with the bridge. Hold on, so this is where the bridge was. So they got rid of the bridge, I think. Yeah, they did. That is crazy. This is crazy. Babcock is rebuilt, and it's rebuilt the right way, where it still kind of stands. That's so cool. I don't know what this building over here is, but this is awesome though. So anyway, there's your update. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.